Hello everyone, welcome to 125 of Advanced Ecom series in Laravel 8. So we will continue working on the checkout page, and we are going to add the delivery address option. We are going to work on the add, edit and delete functionality for our delivery address in this video. Okay, so first of all we are going to start with the add delivery address option. Okay, so in last few videos that we have seen, we able to show the delivery addresses here that we have added in our delivery addresses table. In last video, last to last video, we have added the delivery addresses table, and we have added some of the addresses with the help of seeding. And in last video we have seen that we able to display the delivery addresses here in our checkout page. And now in this video we are going to work on the add functionality for our delivery address. Okay, so we will open this checkout blade file, and we'll start working on this one. So open the checkout blade file, and here we are going to give the add option. You can give the add option anywhere. Okay, so what I'm going to do here, I'm going to make it TD, and here I'm going to make it strong, and strong for the delivery address, and here TD. And inside this one I will add the option for add. Okay, so you can add this option anywhere you want, but I'm going to add it here. So here I'm going to create the URL like this, and inside this I will create the URL that I will create the route for it. URL here I am going to create it like add edit delivery address. So we are going to create the common route for both add and edit of the delivery address. Okay, so we will make something like this, like we have done in admin panel as well. If you remember that we have done in admin panel that add edit product, add edit category, all are common, and same thing we are going to follow here. So here we will just like this. So now it seems to be fine. Okay, so here go to refresh, you can see the add option here. Okay, so you can add anywhere, you can create this option here or somewhere else, wherever you want. And my main focus is on functionality part only, not on the formatting, design, all that you can do from your end. So now I'm going to create the route for add edit delivery address, and we are going to create the common route for both add and edit. So I'm going to add here add edit delivery address, add edit delivery address. Okay, so now I'm going to create the both get and post. So I will use the match here as well, match get post side it. Here I am going to add edit delivery address. So after this one I am going to create that ID option as optional. So for optional, we already know that we will add the question mark here after ID. Okay, so to make it optional. So you must understand this thing. If add hyphen edit hyphen delivery hyphen address option comes here, if the user will call this option, then it means he is going to use the add delivery address. And if the ID is there, like add edit delivery address slash ID, then it means the user is going to edit the delivery address. So remember this one. Same like we have done earlier as well in admin panel, like I've told you earlier. Okay, so now here we are going to create the function here uh, uh, products controller that we will create in products controller, add edit delivery address. So that function we are going to create the common function again, add edit delivery address. So one common function we are going to add, but this time we are going to work on the adding of the delivery address. So I will open the products controller here, and products controller of front end of products controller that is located at front folder, not at the admin folder. So make sure to open the front folder products controller. After opening it, then we are going to add the function at last. You need to go in at last, and here we are going to add the function public function add a delivery address, and inside this we are going to do everything. And here we will, if we will get the id, then it means that is the edit option, otherwise it is the add option. So right now I am not adding the id, but no issue, we can even add it id equal to null, because id can come or may come or may not come. So we will do id equal to null, and after that for post option we will write like this dollar request request dollar request for the post option. See here, if dollar id is null, then it means that we are working on add option, add delivery address. Here we can write add delivery address. Okay, and the title will be same title. We are going to show add delivery address. This title we are going to show in form, so I am writing here. And in else condition, it means the edit delivery address. And the title will be edit delivery address as well. Okay, like this. Okay, so add delivery address and edit delivery address. So after this one, now we also require the countries option in our delivery address form, and our delivery address form will look same like the account page. If we have the account page, we can check our account page here. You can open in new tab, and this one we are going to use. Here we will write like delivery address. Here we will add this form. Email will not come, but rest of the option will come. Okay, so we are going to use the same design and same form. So what we are going to do here, we will open the users controller, and we are going to open the account function, and we will take the help here, and you can see the countries option is there because we want to show the countries in our delivery address form as well. So here we will do the same thing. We will get the countries, list of countries, so that we can return that list to our blade file that we are going to create. So here I will write return view front dot products. In products folder we are going to create the file add edit delivery address. So this file we are going to create inside the products folder. If you want to create another folder, you can also do that. It's your option, it's your call. Okay, so I am doing like this to save the time, and you can just I am giving you hints, but you can do more of your own if you want. See, you can do one thing here. You can create the address controller as well. If you want to create, you can create the address controller and mention here the address controller. instead of product controller you can make the address controller. In that address controller you can keep the delivery addresses, all the options, delete, add, whatever you want. Okay, so you can also do like this, and you can also create the address folder for your blade files, and that is the optional thing. If you want to do like this, it's your call if you want to do, but now I am doing like this to save the time. And uh, so let's see, countries and title, this file I'm going to create inside the products folder. So let me create this file, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to pick that file from the account file we can use, front users. I'm going to pick this file, account.blade.php file. This file I can copy and I will put inside the products folder, paste, and I am going to rename with add edit delivery address. Then I am going to make changes in this one, add edit delivery address. Now I am going to make some changes in this file. I am going to open this file, add edit delivery address. You can see this file is here now. So here, instead of my account, I am going to add here delivery addresses. We can keep success and error message, and this one, and here also we can change here, or we can remove here, and delivery addresses is here. Here also delivery addresses, and okay, we can use the title here like add delivery address or edit delivery address. Okay, like this. Here we can use the delivery addresses, and after going down, and this one is not required, we can just enter here, enter your delivery address details, and after that we are going to correct the form as well. We are going to make delivery address form, and here we're going to make it like add edit delivery address, as this is the add option only, so we can make it like this, add edit delivery address, and name everything is fine. And this one we can remove, and this one also not required in add form. We will check it out later on, otherwise it will create issue because we don't have the user details. See, user details will not come here, and we can remove this one. See, email will not come here because we will not save the email as delivery address, and this one, this update password will also not come. We can leave this all. So now it is fine. Now we can check. So we are going to click on the delivery address option here. See, I'm going to click on the add option of the delivery address, and then we'll see. Okay, so country is not here. We are going to add the country in products controller at the top. Use app country. We'll check now, and now you can see the add delivery address option is coming. Enter your delivery address details, and all the form fields are coming here. Okay, so now we are going to add the delivery address, and we'll here, instead of update, I'm going to add here submit. Okay, so after clicking on this one, delivery address will get added. So it will go to this one and will come back to our function, and here we are going to apply now the post method we are required to do. In post method we are going to save. So after this one I am going to see if dollar request is method post, then we are going to get dollar data, dollar request all. First we are going to check, we are going to debug whether the data is coming or not. Okay, so here I'm going to add some details. Anything you can add with 123A city, anything. New Delhi, Delhi, India, pin code 1, anything 1. Okay, fine. Now see, click on submit here. So the details are coming fine, so that is fine. Now we can move forward, we can add the address here. Okay, so similar kind of thing we are going to copy this one post also, and we can then update. We can have the rules also here, and we can simply use this one. Okay, so no need to do that, no need to repeat everything again. And here we are getting lot of things here. Name, mobile validation also we are getting. We will add the other validation as well after finishing work on add, edit and delete. We will work on the validation as well, but right now we can replace this user with address. Okay, address sound good. And here we are going to mention delivery address like this, but this one we will not do because this one we have already given here. We will give here. Okay, we will give here. See, in case of if id is empty, then it means that this is the new address. So I'm going to take it like address equal to new delivery address. In this case we are going to add the new delivery address. Okay, so here we are going to find and address equal to we are going to here if the id is coming, then we are going to pick that id and we'll update that. Okay, so that thing we will do in case of edit. So this time we will just do address equal to new address, and after that this complete form is coming: name, address, city, state, country, pin code, mobile. That is fine, address save. And after that we are going to show the message also. Message also we will not do here. Message also we are going to add the message here only. Here we are going to add the message dollar message equal to here we will add delivery address added successfully. Okay, so this message we will add here only, and this message will be go there with the success message. That is fine. And now we are going to check out that whether it will work fine or not. Let's see. I'm going to refresh send and delivery address successfully, but here we will not do return redirect. We are going to add here checkout page. Okay, checkout page. So let's go back, and also we are going to add the back button here. So in some case if you want to go to back button, then you can able to go to back button as well. But here button we will not give button, we will give like this. And this one, okay, this one we can give back. and here we can give href url checkout like this, and like this. Okay, so fine. So now we are having some issue. URL checkout. Okay, so this one after this. Now fine. Okay, so now still I am going to give the style float right. So now it looks fine. Back, it will go to checkout. Leave address, address. What is coming here? So to resolve this one, we can do one thing. After session is done, we can add here one check. We can simply make source message empty. Session forget success message like this. Okay, so that it will create, and same in case of error message. Everywhere you can do this option so that no issue will come, because once the message is done, then there is no use of that thing. So whenever okay, so here it is not required, it is coming from checkout as well. So here also we are going to do the same option. Okay, like this, checkout success, and here forget error message. Now it will go. Now refresh it, it will not come again. Okay, so now uh, we are going to check side by side our delivery address is stable as well here. Okay, user id is missing, so we need to add the user id as well. So here one more thing, dollar address equal here user id is, we can pick from our auth user id like this, simple enough, so that we can use id as well. So I'm going to delete this one, wrong one I'm going to delete. Oh, okay, I'm going to do one thing, I'm going to make the our table empty now. Now the dummy entries are not required, we are having the add option here, it will come like this. Here you can also display no delivery addresses. Okay, so if I will click on add, you have this one, this form is there. Okay, so here I am going to fill Amit Gupta 123A. Okay, New Delhi. Okay, so India, sorry, India, pin code 10001, that then 98123, this one. Okay, so we can submit, and here you can see the delivery address come here. Okay, this one you can see the delivery address is coming correctly here. So here we able to add the delivery address here, and also message is coming delivery address successfully. So you can add the multiple address. I can close this one, I can refresh, that message will not come again. And now you can add the another address as well, any name you can add here, Steve Mall Road. Okay, city, any city you can give, like London, I don't know the state, London, United Kingdom. Okay, any pin code, okay, I don't know, and any number. Okay, submit, and here you can see the another delivery address is here. Okay, user can able to select one of the delivery address where he wants to deliver his product. So this is the add option for the delivery address. You can add the multiple delivery address for your order, And in next video we are going to work on the delete edit and delete functionality for our delivery address as well, and also the validations are really important, otherwise someone can add like this. Okay, so we don't want yeah, someone can add like this, but we don't want that someone is adding the numbers, or someone is adding the test in mobile. So see, basic validations we are going to add for all the option. Okay, so here see, some of the validations are working, but for rest we will also work on the validation. So that thing is later on, but we will first work on the edit and delete functionality for our delivery addresses. So stay tuned for that. So that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.